What's the first thing that comes to mind when you hear about melting polar ice?
The poor polar bears.
Global warming.
Polar bears not having a home.
I've heard a lot about it on TV and stuff, but it seems pretty cold right now.
And the overflow of the floods and all that kind of stuff.
If all the ice in the Arctic and the poles melted, that the entire Earth would be underwater. And that would definitely be some Mad Max type stuff. So it would definitely be a dramatic type change.
Do you think decisions made in the Arctic Ocean affect your life?
Well, definitely, because we're all interconnected.
Not in a major way.
Well, considering we're on Biosphere 1, probably pretty heavily. There's all kinds of currents, and both ocean currents and air currents that probably generate or at least pass through there.
Yes, very much so, because I'd like to go and see those animals in the wild.
If they overfish it, then that would affect the other wildlife, and that does the whole food chain. It affects the whole food chain down.
Well, we hear a lot of stuff about global warming and stuff like that, so...
Well, I mean, we might not take it into account or consideration because we're in our own little bubble, but what happens in the Arctic has a major effect on the rest of the world.
What do you think the top priority should be when responding to an oil spill?
The animals, safety first.
Doing whatever you can to do whatever damage control that can be done, and at least trying to alleviate some of the biodisaster after effects.
So that it doesn't spread out further where they can then get it out of there.
It shouldn't have happened in the first place. We shouldn't have such a dependency on oil. I don't know where else to go from there.